Hi friends, my name is Delia Mireya. For this video, I'm going to be cleaning my bathroom. I was inspired by GOCLEANCO. This is a cleaning company with an Instagram account that shares cleaning hacks and tips. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I cleaned it, inspired by GOCLEANCO. To get started, as the first step, we're going to remove all of the clutter, the linens, towels, and garbage. They recommend to remove all of these as the first step. Now for my garbage, I'm going to be throwing that at the end just because some of my cleaning products or some of the products that I'm using, sometimes I'm low on some of the products and I have to dump the bottles away, or I have more trash stored up. So I like to leave my trash till the end. For step number 2, we're going to clean all of the surfaces from clutter. Now, GOCLEANCO suggests that you clean from left to right and from top to bottom. Now, cleaning from top to bottom makes total sense to me because if you're dusting, all of that dust is going to fall on the bottom of your bathroom or bathtub or wherever, right? But cleaning from left to right, I actually did it different. I cleaned from right to left just because when I opened the door, my bathroom starts in the sink part, and then I moved from the sink to the toilet, which is towards the left, and then I moved to the left again, which is my bathtub. This is just a way to organize yourself, to have your list like, okay, I have to clean from top to bottom, that way you don't forget to dust, and then you do it at the end and then dust falls on the bathroom sink. To me, that's most important. Start from the top, then to the bottom, then you can do it from left to right or from right to left. It doesn't matter. Just don't forget to clean any area in your bathroom. One area that I always forget to clean is the light switches or the lamp, and to do that, in my bathroom sink, I filled it up with a little bit of bleach, just a little bit, like a teaspoon, and then water, hot water. I like to use hot water, and then I use pinolan and a little bit of soap. That's what I'm going to be using, and then I used a cloth to clean everything to get rid of that dust. Then I'm going to be moving on to my mirror. I used Windex, and this one has vinegar. Then I used a cloth just to get rid of the dirt, the grime, whatever's left in the mirror. GOCLEANCO suggests that you use a e-cloth. I couldn't believe that I had one at home that I bought a couple weeks ago, and this is the best way to clean your mirror so far. It doesn't leave any streaks, and I absolutely loved it. GOCLEANCO suggests that you clean and disinfect. Now there's a difference between those two. Cleaning is when you're going to clean something to free it from dirt, marks, or stains, and disinfect is when you're going to destroy the bacteria and to free it from germs. And you can use just a little bit of bleach in water, or you can use any disinfecting spray that you have at home. I'm going to be filling up my sink with hot water, a little bit of bleach, pinolan, and a little bit of soap just to clean everything else, everything that I'm going to be placing on my counter. Another thing that I forget to clean is the towel holder, and it had a little bit of dust, so I made sure to clean that. Then I'm going to be moving on to the toilet. I'm going to be adding some more baby wipes, clean ones, throwing the other wrapper away. And this is why I throw my trash till the end, because I accumulate more trash during the process of cleaning. To clean my toilet, I'm going to be using the pink stuff. This is a multi-purpose cleaner I purchased from Amazon. I'm also going to be using the cream cleaner from the pink stuff, but I wasn't too sure if it was for the toilet, but since it's my first time using it, I wasn't sure if I could use it for my toilet, but I used it anyways. I'm also going to be using the soap Ajax, and I'm also going to be using the Comet cleaner, the powder. This is mostly what I use to clean my toilet, and I like to give it a good smell, so I added pinolan as well. Then I'm going to be using my Clorox wand, and I'm just going to be scrubbing everything. I like this Clorox wand because it has the disposable pad at the bottom, and then you can just throw that away when you're done. Another thing that I used, which I didn't show in the video, or you can kind of see, I like to use my pumice. Sometimes there's the hard water stains that stay in the toilet, so I scrub it lightly with the pumice, and I did that towards the end. Once I was done scrubbing my toilet from top to bottom, or from the inside and then from top to bottom, I used a cloth to clean all of that soap, all the whatever was left on the toilet. Then I use the Clorox disinfecting wipes. I feel like this gives it a great finish, and I know that my toilet is disinfected. I'm also going to be using one of the tablets to clean my toilet bowl every time it flushes. Then I'm going to be moving on to cleaning my bathtub. I'm going to be using a couple of different products. I'm going to be using a Hawks. I'm also going to be using the Penalen once again. I'm also going to be using the Comet cleaner and the pink stuff as well. I just wanted it to look pretty and pink. Yes, that's why I used all of these products. I'm just giving different cleaning products a try to see what works and what doesn't. What's going to stay for the rest of my cleaning videos and what's going to go. Give me a thumbs up in this video if you would like for me to share with you guys a video with all of my favorite cleaning products, what I use to clean all of my home. Please give me that like. Now, a place that I always forget to clean, and GOCLEANCO suggests that you clean this as well, is the outside of your bathtub. Now, I hope I'm not the only one. I'm always like, you know what, the bathtub is clean, the inside, but what about the outside? I always forget, but I made sure not to forget this time. As I mentioned in the beginning, I throw my trash away at the end because I did collect a few things that I had to throw away. So yeah, I do that at the end. I also clean the trash can as well. I put in a new plastic bag inside, and that is pretty much it. Oh no, wait, I sweep and I mop as well. Now, GOCLEANCO suggests that you vacuum after mopping. I've never done this before, and I think I was too impatient when I was done mopping. The floor was wet and I didn't want to wait to vacuum, but I'll probably be giving that a try. I don't know in what way it'll help me, but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope that this video motivates you guys to cleaning your bathroom. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate all the time that you guys took out of your day to watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more cleaning videos in the future. May God bless you all. Take care, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.